Amoeba. Amoeba is a type of cell or organism which has the ability to alter its shape primarily by extending and reacting with its pseudopods. This means amoeba is a microorganism which has the ability to move in any direction with the help of pseudopodium. Different types of amoeba. Brain-eating amoeba and Amoeba histolytica, Amoeba proteus, coralline, etc. are examples of amoeba.
Amoeba histolytica is a parasitic amoeba that feeds on living cells in the human gut.
Most of the time, the presence of Amoeba histolytica in the intestines causes dysentery. This is an inflammation of the intestines that causes diarrhea, and in the worst case, severe dehydration.
But in rare cases, the Amoeba histolytica will actually attack the intestinal wall, eating through the tissue. From there, it travels in the blood to the liver. Here, the Amoeba feeds on the liver cells, thus creating an abscess of dead material, liquefying the liver. The amoeba starts its life cycle as a free-living cyst in the water. When a human drinks contaminated water, the cyst enters the gut. Here, the amoeba emerges from the cyst, divides, feeds, and then re-encysts. When the cyst passes out of the body into the water, the life cycle is complete.
Amoeba histolytica infections are extremely common. Around the world, there are almost 50 million reported cases every year. But only about 70,000 of those turn deadly.
Most infections occur when the victim ingests food or water contaminated with the amoeba. Travelers to tropical regions where sanitation is poor should avoid consuming food and drink prepared in unhygienic conditions and refrain from swimming in contaminated water.
How do people get infected with brain-eating amoeba? These amoebas are mostly found in areas where water is not properly chlorined, like oceans, polluted rivers, etc. So they enter to our nose or to our brain and eat our brain as their food. Asexual reproduction and amoeba.
Asexual reproduction, on the other hand, is a reproduction in which the offspring arises from a single parent. Binary fission and budding are two common methods of asexual reproduction. In binary fission, two organisms are formed from a single parent. This mode of asexual reproduction is found in unicellular organisms such as amoeba and paramecium.
Where are amoebas mostly found? Amoebas are mostly found in freshwater sources like rivers, hot springs, lakes, and even industrial wastes. They are even found in swimming pools and water heaters where there is temperature below 117 degrees. These amoebas can even be found in soil.